Go for it, Rudolph.
Well, guys, you're probably wondering what this and this is about. Well, when we got to the studio today, we had a couple of boxes from Santa Claus, it looks like.
I mean, I don't know about you, but I'm very excited to receive a gift from Santa Claus.
I am too. I'm so excited. So what we're going to do is we're going to open these up in front of you,
right,
and see what's inside these boxes.
Now, if you can, as you can see, these are genuinely still taped. So you're going to see these exactly the same time that we're going to see these.
Yeah, we have no idea what's inside these boxes.
We're going to find out.
So,
but we've been told to open these up on camera, and that's exactly what we're going to do.
Mrs. Claus told us that. Sorry, I am. Yeah. Me and sharp objects.
Yeah, not a good mix. Not a good mix. Okay, let me do the same. Let me set it up real quick. Mine's got fragile written all over it, so I'm hoping that there's food in here. Because...
Well, that wouldn't be fragile.
Well, maybe.
All right.
Right, go for it. You go first.
All right, let's see what we have here.
You have paper.
All right, paper!
You got
I love
the gift
paper.
of Christmas wrap.
Oh, okay. This is like... Well, let's see. I have two presents here.
Okay.
I'm going to set these right here. And I have... I have a letter. It says, ho, 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 Merry Christmas.
Okay.
Let's see what this... from the desk of Santa Claus.
That's so cute.
It says, hello, Jeremy. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. This is Santa here in the North Pole.
Santa knows that you have been good this year. I have been watching your YouTube channel with Mrs. Claus. Even the elves join in too sometimes, and we love it.
I have especially noticed all the amazing art you have been producing, and so we wanted to offer up a special challenge.
Miss Claus and I would like you to use the following colors: turquoise and green, gold, and
Nickel Aztec gold.
Nickel
Azo gold.
Sorry, I don't have my glasses on. Nickel Aztec gold. And you can pick up to 2 of your own to create something extra joyful for all your viewers.
We have also included an extra special little something for you to use as inspiration. We can't wait to see what you do with it, and we will be watching on December 13th to see for ourselves.
Be safe and have fun. Love, Mr. and Miss Claus. Aww.
Okay, well that's cool. Okay,
yeah.
Now, let me open my stuff real quick.
Excuse me.
And then I'll let you open up your
awesome
bits and pieces.
Yes.
Because I'm intrigued to know whether I got the same letter. Okay. Okay. There's wrap. Okay. So I have something.
A folder.
All right, okay, so I have the same letter. Let me read this. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. This is Santa here in the North Pole.
Santa knows that you have been very good this year. I have been watching your YouTube channel with Mrs. Claus. Oh, even the elves join in too sometimes, and we love it.
I have especially noticed all the amazing art you've been producing, and so we wanted to offer up a special challenge.
Mrs. Claus and I would like you to use the following colours: pearl lime green, phthalo green, and gold. And you can pick up to 2 of your own to create something extra joyful for all your viewers.
We have also included an extra special little something for you to use as inspiration. We can't wait to see what you do with it, and we will be watching on December 13th.
Be safe and have fun. Love, Mr. and Mrs. Claus. All the way from the North Pole.
That's amazing.
All right. Okay, so I want to
right.
see you open up your
Okay.
inspiration.
All
now
right.
then.
So let's see here. Well, I have...
Well, I see a theme emerging.
I see a theme. There's like fishes and jellyfish and turtles on here. So let's see here. Old World Christmas.
I have oh yeah, okay, it's not.
Old World Christmas. Let's see here. Oh, this is really pretty. It is an ornament, it looks like, yes, of a crab. That's the bottom of the crab, and this is the top
It
of
looks
the crab.
particularly
Has little eyes.
spicy.
It is. It's a Spicy Boys crab.
It's a spicy crab. That's adorable. I
This
actually really
is
love the colours
adorable.
of
I do too. I love the colors.
it. That's amazing.
This is so cute.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm trying to just rip into this, and it's like
It's been wrapped particularly well, Mr.
it
and Mrs.
has
Claus.
been wrapped particularly well.
Right. Oh, it's a new purse. Just what you needed.
I needed a new clutch.
Right.
And what we have inside the clutch is,
Oh my
let's
goodness.
see it.
It's like a gift in a gift.
It is a
It's
gift in a
Inception. It keeps on going.
Oh, wow. Okay. So this is it's like a comb, another big comb,
Wow.
another like pick kind of thing.
That's so cool.
Yeah, this is cool. So
Okay.
I'm catching on
I
to
see
this.
I see a theme.
I think I'm catching on to this.
Okay.
And they have little Mardi Gras masks on them. I don't know if you can see that or not. They have little Mardi Gras masks on them.
All right. So far you've got a crab ornament.
A crab
You've
ornament.
got some combs for wrecking.
for wrecking.
Okay.
All right, I have a stocking here with crabs on it for Spicy Boys crabs.
amazing.
And
For anyone that didn't know, okay, because I am seeing the theme here,
Yes.
it was the HOA that nicknamed us the Spicy Boys because
Yes.
Jeremy and I are both Cancerians. So this is Jeremy holding a blow dryer, and this is me holding the dustpan, and this is American and English. And
Yes.
so yeah,
Yes.
okay,
so that's where all that comes from.
right,
So I got Golden's turquoise phthalo.
beautiful.
Oh my God, so pretty. I have a iridescent gold deep fine.
Stunning.
Golden's. And, oh, there's more. Okay, let's see here. I have to open this one because you guys have got to see this. This is a
This is amazing.
Martha Stewart Craft glitter.
Which is actually kind of the same color as the spicy crab.
I know,
Which is
I know.
amazing.
I'm loving this color.
Okay.
This is going to be a very interesting painting. Oh, okay. I have quinacridone nickel azo gold.
Which we've never used before.
No,
That must be like an orange gold.
it is like an orange
Which
gold.
is stunning.
And last but not least, oh my gosh, these colors are amazing. I got a green gold.
Ooh.
Yes, look at that. Like green gold.
Right. So just to recap, Jeremy,
Yes.
you got combs for wrecking.
Yes.
You got nickel azo gold.
Yes.
You got green gold.
Yes.
This amazing glitter.
Yes.
You got iridescent deep gold fine, and you got turquoise phthalo with a spicy crab.
Yes. This is going to be amazing. Amazing.
It's going to be really, really exciting.
Yeah. Can we do big canvases?
This is going to be really exciting. Let's see what happens next. Okay, can I get into my box?
Yes. I want to put all these
Very
away.
excited. All right, so that's Jeremy's box. Let me get into mine. Let's
Yes.
see what this is all about. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have a stocking here, which is jam-packed full of stuff. And then another stocking, which has got more stuff in it. And then just to make sure we're not going to miss anything. Okay, let me put that stuff in the box.
Yes.
Jeremy, if you can move that to one side.
I can.
Thank you, sir. All right, so now we've got 2 amazing stockings. Let's get into this one first. So,
Show them the stocking.
this says Santa Mail Special Delivery for me. And what have I got in here? Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Okay, so here I can see I've got, let me open this up as well. So here are my colours. Oh my god, it's so expertly wrapped. I guess it's because it's come all the way from the pole.
From the North Pole.
Okay, this is a wonderful Christmas theme. Okay, so what have I got? I've got a Christmas tree tray, which is actually really pretty.
Yes.
I have some light up little Christmas tree ornaments. Little
necklace.
lights.
Yes.
Little Christmas tree lights. Amazing. I have my colours. Oh,
It's a necklace.
it is a necklace. It is a necklace. I'll be wearing that with pride. I have my pearl lime green. I have my phthalo green. And then I have a gold by Arteza and by Liquitex Basics. Beautiful, like very Christmas tree-like
Yes.
colours. So there's definitely a Christmas tree theme there. I also have glitter. Everything is glittery here. Oh my god, this is amazing. Chunky emerald glitter, which is really awesome. And then this like ruby red, almost like Dorothy slipper glitter,
Yeah.
which is amazing. Oh my goodness, what's in here then?
I know, right?
Because that's more than enough. Mr. and Mrs. Claus went all out on this one. Okay, let me just get into this real quick. Hopefully you guys can see this. Okay, this is very well wrapped.
Huh.
And the box said fragile, so I'm guessing this is something that is fragile. I wonder what this could be. I have a sneaking suspicion. Oh, maybe not. maybe it's not.
Oh,
I got it very wrong. Wowza. Okay, so this is a really beautiful, hand painted by the looks of it, wine goblet that's got the same type of ornaments, you know, like the Christmas tree lights all the way through it. That's
it's beautiful.
really beautiful. But hopefully you guys can see that. That's really stunning.
That means wine pouring, wine tasting.
Hopefully that's the reason why we got these. Basically, I don't have to do any art at all. I just have to drink wine. So there's my challenge.
Yes.
And another one too. Oh my goodness. Okay, so these are beautiful. These are stunning.
Yeah.
So that's my inspiration box. So I've got a tray, the lights, the glitter, the gold, and then I've got some wine glasses, goblets there also as inspiration.
Yeah. All right, guys. Mr. and Mrs. Claus. They have spoken.
They have spoken.
They have spoken. They have given us our colors, our themes, everything.
Our inspiration.
Our inspiration. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so crazy.
I'm so excited.
I love my little crab. So on December 13th, that's when all of you will see what is going to happen.
So join us and maybe some special guests along the way.
Yes.
We'll see you all here for December the 13th and the start of our Christmas pour.
All right, guys. Let's talk to you later.
See you then.
See you then.
Bye.
Bye.